gentlemen, on this Monday edition of the News Hour, I bring to you two names and two stories that have a common thread of investigation. In fact, one is of Bollywood denying that there is something rotten within them, and the other is of lawmakers who are in total denial about their own hooliganism. On the debate number one tonight, I will bring to you three exclusive chats that leave at least 4 Bollywood A-listers completely exposed. These Bollywood celebrities are going to be now summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. They have evidence and they have some questions that they need to ask these A-listers. I will give you the name in just a few seconds from now. But ladies and gentlemen, as always, I never come without proof, without evidence. I'm not in the habit of putting out names when I don't have enough evidence to back it up. When I put out the name of Sara Ali Khan and Rakul Preet Singh, I was targeted and I was questioned for one thing, that I've tried to defame these individuals. Well, today and even earlier, it is the Narcotics Control Bureau which has confirmed not just Sara Ali Khan, but Shraddha Kapoor will be summoned this week, and Rakul Preet Singh's name is also in the list for these summons. But tonight, I want to show you a few chats, and these chats will disclose to you, ladies and gentlemen, the names. You must have seen the names D, K doing the rounds on social media and various channels. Today, I'm going to give you proof of who these names of D and K are all about. And as I told you, I never do it without evidence. So on your screens right now, you have these chats, and look at this. Right here in this green chat is the name with D. This is the name, ladies and gentlemen, and let me expand it some more for you. This is the WhatsApp chat that is between Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone, her WhatsApp chat, we've removed the number for her own privacy, but Deepika Padukone's chat is with Jaya Saha. Jaya Saha, who is somebody who was at the Narcotics Control Bureau this morning, and she has been summoned again tomorrow. And Jaya Saha's conversations with Deepika are part of some investigation, names also taken by Jaya Saha. Deepika Padukone, that's the D that most channels are talking about, but they don't have this evidence that I'm showing you. This is the evidence that has come out. Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone mentioned right here, and her chat now with Karishma. K stands for Karishma, and this is the chat that both of them are having, in which Deepika Padukone says, and it's a red chat, where she's asking, where she's chatting with Karishma, and she says, K, Mal you have? And K responds to to Deepika saying, I have, but at home I'm in Bandra. So K obviously doesn't live in not live in Bandra, but she is in Bandra, and she says my Mal is at home. And then Deepika Padukone is also going to get the next message from K. Karishma, who is an employee of Quan. Quan is a talent management company, and she says, I can ask Amit if you want. So this is the chat number one, where this is Karishma chatting with Deepika Padukone, and I can show you the name of Deepika Padukone right here. Deepika Padukone's chat, which has been accessed by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And in this, Deepika Padukone talking to Karishma, and she's talking about Mal. Now, let's go to the next chat, because in this chat, you will see what is the Mal that they are referring to. And let me show you. She says, should I ask Amit? And Deepika Padukone responds to her and says, yes, Deepika Padukone tells Karishma, this is yes, I need it from Amit. And then she says, please. This is please, and this is coming from Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone telling her please, status is red, and then Karishma responds to her and says, Amit he is carrying it. So Amit is somebody who carries this. Who is this Amit is something the Narcotics Control Bureau wants to know. And she says, can I tell Amit? And she says, yes, please. And look at the please that has been spelled here by Deepika Padukone in her message to Karishma. And then it is the chat number 3. And in the chat number 3, she says, yes, hash. And Deepika Padukone reads this message, yes, hash, status red, and then she says, what time are you coming to Coco? No, in fact, Deepika Padukone asks her in the previous chat that, do you have, she asks her, hash na, this is what Deepika Padukone is asking. So the mal that they are talking about is hash na, and then Deepika Padukone says, I like hash, I don't like weed. So Karishma tells her in the next chat that yes, hash, it's not weed, it is hash. And Deepika Padukone reads this, and then she says, what time are you coming to Coco? Karishma asks Deepika Padukone, what time are you coming to Coco? This is at 10:14 at night on 28th of October 2017 that this chat is happening. And then she says, what time are you coming to Coco? And Deepika then says 11:30, 12ish. And then they say, till what time is Shal there? So who is this Shal is a question that the Narcotics Control Bureau wants to ask Deepika Padukone, because they are trying to get together a list of all suppliers, drug peddlers, and Shal and Amit and Karishma, all of them are going to be questioned. And then Karishma says, I think she said 11:30 because she needs to be at the other place by 12. So these are the conversations, but the big story that we are bringing to you is in these chats, it is D for Deepika Padukone, and of course she's chatting with the Karishma. Some say she's her stylist, but she's an employee of Quon, is what we are being told by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So the biggest A-lister coming out, and that is Deepika Padukone. And can we have the pictures of Deepika Padukone and the graphics to put these chats out for context? The biggest name coming out excuse me, from the Bollywood A-listers, and this really is the big breaking story we are bringing to you on the News Hour tonight, the smoking gun and Deepika Padukone. Can I also break to you the big story about how Deepika Padukone is going to be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau this week? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Deepika Padukone is going to be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau this week itself. So this is not part of any speculation. This is not part of any he said, she said. These are evidences of chats that we put out. Mal you have, and I have, but at home I'm in Bandra, and this is the chat between Deepika Padukone and Karishma, who's an employee of Quon. This is the A-lister number one that we are getting for you, and you know Deepika Padukone is the topmost actor at this point in Bollywood, or at least among the top actors in Bollywood. And when the entire Bollywood came out and said, why are you troubling us? Why are you singling Bollywood out? I want to just tell them that this is not about accusing anyone. The question really here is that these chats are being looked at by the Narcotics Control Bureau so as to see who are these people who are providing this kind of contraband substance. Amit, Shal is another person, and then of course Karishma, where is she sourcing it from? And Deepika Padukone, when she is summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, she will be asked, Amit, Karishma are people that she's sourcing these contraband substances from. Who are the others? Has she done it from others in the past? And who are these names that exist? So Deepika Padukone, A-lister number 1, named right here with evidence, and that's the name on the chats. Deepika Padukone speaking to Karishma, and that's the big breaking news coming to you. And Deepika Padukone will be summoned this week by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question on the news hour is just one. Will B-Town sympathizers still be in denial about the prevalent use of drugs in Bollywood? That's the question and the debate. Bollywood drug list coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me this evening, Dr. Sambit Patra, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Shehzad Poonawala, Manvi Taneja, Nasir Abdullah, Tehseen Poonawala, Sanjay Gupta, Rahul Ishwar and Ravi Srivastava. But first my question goes to Ishkaran Bhandari. And Ishkaran Bhandari, I want to ask you, Deepika Padukone, named with evidence, and these are chats between Deepika, Jaya Saha and Karishma. And Karishma is a employee of Quon, and Quon's name you have heard in context of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now Quon comes in respect of drugs, and the connection goes right up to Deepika Padukone, who's going to be summoned later this week. Ishkaran Bhandari, I want to ask you, what happens to the denials that came in from Bollywood that we were defaming the whole industry?
Navika ji, please give me a bit of time because so many angles we have broken. The denials have become a depression after your news break. The defamation has become drugs after your news break, and that has become a crime. And all this is happening since the first drug chats of Ria came out. You realize the first interview was done by Ria after you broke the drug chats. A direct connection was there in which a scripted movie production, and you may not like it, but a colleague of yours, Rajdeep Sardesai from the same fraternity, did that movie production in which it was very triumphantly said, I don't do drugs. Later it came out that I did not procure drugs, and the courts did not listen to it. They are still in jail. And now we have these chats which show that how prevalent was drugs. And one of these chats that you showed was also that I am behaving like a peddler. So the person getting it knows that the quantities they are getting and for the number of people they are getting, that is peddling, that is not consumption. And that they are saying as a layman, legally when you source it for so many people, that's peddling, that is not consumption. Added to that is, which is where the worry is, which is where there is this massive PR going, attacking you and attacking everybody who's raising the voice against these drugs, because it is not me saying it, it is Government of India saying it, it is United Nations saying it, that drugs are intrinsically interlinked with terror, because the network which brings the drug is the same network very often which brings terrorism. And that is documented in multiple reports. Just Google Times of India, they will show Kashmir drug link with terrorism, Punjab drug link with terrorism, Northeast drug link with terrorism. Just a simple Google search will show you that if you do not want to read UN documents or Home Ministry documents. That is why there is this fright. That is why there is this depression, which I alluded to at 8 p.m. debate also. And now you have boldly taken the names out. I am sure you will be attacked for taking the names as you were attacked after you took the name of Sara Ali Khan. But more and more power to you, because I and you and anybody who cares about the youth of this country has to speak about this prevalence of drug usage. It has to be cleaned out. It has to be wiped out. And my last line to anybody who says this, that why are you targeting Bollywood? Well, the simple answer is target anybody who comes out in the investigation. Right now, Bollywood has come out, and reality is Bollywood leads a lifestyle which they show as cool. And I want to say this: anybody who thinks drugs are cool is a fool who should be in jail. High time they all go to jail who are peddling drugs.
But the question really here, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, is the names that have come out, many will come out and say that consumption is allowed even under the law. So they'll start reading the law to us, and they will ask us the question that are we defaming people? Are we carrying out a media trial? I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, as the law exists today, to be in touch with peddlers, to take substances that are contraband, and in the law, distribution and sourcing of this kind of contraband substance is against the law. I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, should we be silent bystanders when this entire investigation is going on? Should we as the media not report this entire question? Because Mrs. Jaya Bachchan came out and said that a few people in B-Town were trying to bring down the name of B-Town, and of course she was also referring to the media that it's been picking this entire story up, and possibly the allegation against us is that we are blowing it up. I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, which part of this is not in public interest, number one, and number two, if the names exist and these people in their chats are talking about other names like Amit, like Shal, Karishma is a new name that's come in, all of these people will have to explain, and these A-listers need to tell, forget the quantities that exist in their possession, they will need to tell who are their regular suppliers, because trading in drugs is certainly not trading in aloo and bengan.
Good evening, Navika. You know, not every drug addict is a Bollywood celebrity, but it seems to me after your stunning revelations, every Bollywood celebrity seems to be a drug addict. Now, you know, before today, these acronyms like DNG, DKNY, they seem to me like, you know, fashion houses, and probably to you as well. So it is astonishing that everyone seems to be on it. And you know, this kind of feeble excuse की two excuses. Number one, जिस थाली में खाते हो उसी में छेद करते हो. अरे भाई आपकी थाली में इतने छेद हैं, इतने ज़्यादा छेद हैं कि वो थाली नहीं रही है. And number two, why should we expose? Number one, please listen, trafficking, procurement and consumption, all three, especially the last three as well in India, are completely illegal. There should be no omerta code, especially when public trust is involved. And this is all the more pertinent for Bollywood, where millions look up to stars as role models. Or are we going to say that, you know, tomorrow the people who look up to, let's say, this D, quote unquote D, you know, it is all right if that person also looks up to D and starts having drugs? So, you know, this has to reach its logical conclusion. Having said that, you know, not everyone is guilty in Bollywood, certainly not. But this cleanup would only help those who are not guilty. And perhaps the time has come for someone to suggest a Truth and Reconciliation Commission for Bollywood. Let everyone who has tried and peddled and confiscated or consumed drugs come out and say openly, yes, I've done it, it was completely wrong, I'm ready to pay the consequences.
Well, Dr. Sambit Patra, and I want to raise this now at a political level, because when Mrs. Jaya Bachchan raised this issue in Rajya Sabha, it was at a political level that she talked about the fact that one industry was being singled out, and she even, pointed fingers at those like Kangana Ranaut, though she didn't name her, but those like her and Ravi Kishan who raised this issue of drugs being rampantly used in Bollywood as people jis thali mein kha rahe the, usi mein ched kar rahe the. I want to ask you, Dr. Patra, there is this whole debate that is being put out by Bollywood which says, don't single us out, it happens amongst the sadhus in Ayodhya, it happens in the Kumbh Mela, it happens in Varanasi, in Banaras, and why don't you go after them? You're just going after Bollywood because these are dissenters of the Modi government, and you want to, Deepika Padukone is somebody who went to JNU. So, is this why the names are surfacing? Is this why Bollywood is being made an example of?
See, Navika, the Pandora's box is open. And in fact, almost every day, on a daily basis, new alphabets are jumping out of the Pandora's box. And I can say, without any humor, that someone who does not know alphabets, if they watch these debates as to who was procuring, who was consuming, I'm sure they would learn A to Z, because from A to Z, there are a number of names who have propped up by now. No wonder no one wanted any investigation. Now, on a very serious note, but on a lighter way, let me put as to what was happening, what is happening, and what would happen. We were talking about Mal. Mal, Jal, Pal, Khal. These are the 4 words which I am going to define and which is going to give you the summary of what exactly is happening in Bollywood. Mal you have already defined. Now we have Jal, Pal, Khal. Jal. Jal means a net. A net, a cartel which exists in Bollywood. It's for true. A cartel of casting couch, a cartel of drugs, a cartel of underworld linkages. And we really need a cleansing of this cartel. And this cartel is what the thali is. And of course, I have mentioned right from the very beginning, इतनी छेद हो चुकी है थाली में कि अब थाली छलनी बन चुकी है. It's no more a thali, it's no more a platter, it's a sieve. Number 1. Now we come to the next word, that is pal. Pal means saving. किसी को पालना पोसना. For years altogether, the thumb rule in this industry appears is, please scratch my back and I scratch your back. You save me, आप मुझे पालो, मैं आपको पालता हूँ. And this is what has been happening in this industry. This is what the Pandora's box is suggesting. And let me conclude by saying, the last word is khal. Khal means chamdi, the hide. You know, the hyenas in the hides of lions and tigers. I mean, the biggest one of them being the Shiv Sena. I mean, look at, since I'm a politician, let me point a fingers towards the one who is using the hide, the khal of a tiger, and using words like haram khor, etc. for the ones who are really trying to get justice. And let me conclude by saying, वो the placard माताएं हैं, the माताजीs who hold placards and who are ashamed every now and then for being Indian. Where are those placard heroines? I mean, they should come out and say, हमें चाहिए आज़ादी, आज़ादी from drugs, आज़ादी from casting couch. But none of them really want आज़ादी from sin. They want आज़ादी from development. They want आज़ादी from a good and a new India. But none of them want आज़ादी from this cartel. I'm sorry to say though.
Nasir Abdullah, I want to ask you straight, fair and square. These are A-listers, and when we said A-listers are on this list, everybody had a gun out for all of us. And I want to tell you, here on Times Now, we are not going here and there speculating. The visuals of the chats are on your screens, and these chats identify. We've only camouflaged the number so that the privacy of the person is not disturbed by random viewers calling these people. But the name has been kept because this name, if we hadn't showed, you would have said that we are just, trying to do speculation and we are titillating our viewers and we are just trying to call everybody and paint everybody with the same brush. Nasir Abdullah, the name is out there. The drug chat is out there. I want hash, I don't want weed is out there. Karishma is one person who could source it for her. Amit is another name that appears who also carries it on his person and can supply it to Deepika Padukone. Don't you think now it's time for Bollywood to apologize to the media and come clean on their drug links? Maybe they were doing just consumption, but they do know about the peddlers and they haven't come out and said that this is against the law.
Right. So, yeah, here is the deal, here is the problem. Because it is a frowned upon thing to consume grass and marijuana and other stuff, they don't want it to be known, but once it is found out, and it is an illegal act. But the truth of the matter again is this, it is active from north to south, east to west, everywhere is there. And there is great stuff, it's unbelievable how much of it is really going around. So I understand it is illegal, and once one is actually found out.
Nasir Abdullah, last week when you were on my show, Nasir Abdullah, you said we are naming people when they don't actually do drugs. Today we are showing you that they are having conversations about drugs, and today you say, it's not just us, everybody is doing it. Is that the defense of the law? Is that
I've
the
been
defense
watching-
of the law?
No, no.
That somebody else
Everybody's
is
been
murdering,
smoking
so
for
if I
40
murder
years.
somebody,
I've
what's
been
the
in
big
Bombay
deal?
for 30
Should
oh,
everybody
don't-
start breaking the
don't
law
put
in that
words into
manner?
my
Nasir
mouth.
Abdullah, Shehzad
Don't put
Poonawalla.
words into my
You
mouth.
heard Shehzad
Don't put
Poonawalla
words
till
into
last
my
week.
mouth.
Till
I did
last
not
week,
say
what
that.
their defense
Fine
was.
me-
They were
fine me.
shooting
No,
at
no,
us.
no, no.
They were
You don't
shooting
let
at
me
us
speak.
because
You don't
we
let
put
me
out
speak.
these facts in the public domain and they said that we know nothing and that we are defaming people and it's actually not true. And today he
Kashmir
says,
to
"Sab karte."
Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Bengal, it is there. I have said that all along. It is there. My problem is, why do you choose Bollywood to attack only?
Once
It's all
Nasir
over
finishes,
India.
I'll
I
speak.
know that for a fact. All over Bengal and south of
Okay.
India, there is this, the Kerala grass, everything.
Maybe NCB should call
knows
you.
it. It is unfortunate.
Maybe NCB should
My
call
only
you.
problem. My only problem
Maybe
is
NCB should-
that
okay,
why
now can I speak?
why only
Can I
Bombay
speak? I
is
cannot
being singled
operate.
out. Drugs are being used everywhere.
Navika,
Drugs are
can I
being used
speak?
in Delhi a lot.
The lady
I know
first,
it.
the lady
I know
first,
I'm from
Manvi
Delhi.
Taneja wants to take a shot at Nasir Abdullah. So why don't we have a rapid fast round with the Manvi Taneja and Nasir Abdullah?
Because we have we have role models. People follow you. People follow stars. People follow us. You and me. People follow. So you want people to follow. They should keep. They should start taking drugs. You want that? You want that youth should go into drugs? Do you really want that?
I didn't say that. You're putting words into my mouth.
Mr.
What
Abdullah,
are you
I'm asking
saying
something.
then? What
No,
are you
said it
saying, Nasir
everywhere, but
Abdullah?
I am saying that why not we should
I
start it
said
from
what I
Bollywood.
did. Drugs are everywhere. Drugs are everywhere. Drugs are everywhere. And you go to Manali, you go to Kullu, it's incredible the amount of stuff that is
So it's
available.
okay for
There is
you
the
if
Kerala grass.
entire
Now it
Bollywood or
depends
some people
the
from
heavy
Bollywood
drugs.
take
If
it,
there are
consume
heavy
it, it's
drugs,
okay.
no.
If they
There are
deal with drugs, if they consume it, they are drugs like drugs, you are okay with
There
it.
are drugs.
No, it's not about heavy or small. Why
There are drugs that
Consumption of
destroy
drugs,
you very
peddling of drugs.
quickly.
It is a
There are
criminal
drugs
offense.
that
Why
don't
it's
destroy
small?
you for
No, I'm
50
not talking
years.
about ratio. If it's a
Some
small or
people,
large
for
or medium,
example,
I don't
what
care. I give
Deepika
up that.
asked for,
They should
what
not be
Deepika
drugs.
asked
No,
for
they
is
should not
marijuana.
consume it. They
That's
should
the
not smuggle
mildest
it.
of all
No.
drugs. It is called Shivji
It's
Ka
all
Prasad
open
in
now.
Rishikesh.
It's all open
In
now. The
Rishikesh,
chat is
it's called
open. She's
Shivji Ka
exposed.
Prasad. I have seen
Few
it there.
people from Bollywood
Half the
A-list
sannyasis
actors, they are
smoke it
exposed.
in a
No, I
chilla.
will not take
Half
this.
the
No, no, no.
sannyasis, they
It is
get bored.
exposed.
They need entertainment.
No, no,
They
I'm
are
talking about
searching for
Bollywood right
God.
now. The
They
chat
can't
is open.
find
They are
him.
exposed
They
and
get
still you're
bored.
saying like
They
that.
take some.
Still you're saying
It is
that.
happening
Are you
everywhere.
supporting them?
Why
Are you
choose
supporting them? You
Bollywood
just tell
is
me.
my problem.
Are you supporting
And please
Mr.
choose
Abdullah?
Bollywood.
Are you trying to support
Navika,
them? Are you trying to
everybody
support
pits
A-list
me
actors?
against this
Or
girl.
you are into drugs?
Whatever her
Why?
name is.
I just want to ask you one thing, that when A-lister actors appear, I'm Manvi. You know my name very well. When A-lister actors, they are just exposed. Why do you always protect them? Why do you always stand for them? Why there is a back for you? Why? Why there
I'm
is no
not
back for
protecting
Kangana
them. I
or
know
someone
they're
else?
there. I know they're there. I know.
You always try to
I
protect
smell
the
them.
people
When I
who
walk
are
down
into
the
drugs
streets in
or
Bombay,
they try
Okay,
to
you
use
smell it,
No,
but
no,
you never
always
wanted to
smell
talk
it.
about
Why
it.
Bollywood?
Brilliant.
Then why
Nasir
Bollywood?
Abdullah, Nasir
advice for
Abdullah
Nasir sir.
on the Newsar tonight
no big deal.
is in a
It is-
different
what
avatar
I'm-
from
no,
what
no,
he
no,
was
no.
last
What
week,
we
because
should
last
be-
week,
what we should be worried
Dr.
about-
Anand
what we
Ranganathan
should
and
be
he
worried
went for
about-
each
I have
other
advice for Nasir
and
sir.
short
He's a
of
good friend of
abusing
mine. I
each
have
other.
short advice for
You
him.
know,
Should be worried
they
about-
just said
what we should
that
be worried
Nasir
about-
Abdullah just said
what
that
we should be worried
everybody
about
in
is the
Bollywood is a
hard drugs.
paragon
What
of
we should
virtue.
be worried
Drugs,
about
we've
is the
never heard
hard
about
drugs.
it. Why are you
The
singling
MDMA
out
and all the
Bollywood?
other stuff
Shehzad
getting
Poonawalla,
there.
आज
Those
तो
are the
सच्चाई
hard
आ गई
drugs.
सामने.
Marijuana and all have been
Navika.
there for centuries. It's called Shivji Ka Prasad. It is
Now,
the
now,
cheapest
Nasir,
of
I've
these
heard you
drugs.
long enough. I hope you'll extend the courtesy
So you
to me.
call it Shivji Ka Prasad and have it.
You know, I cannot debate with
They call it. They call it. I don't,
Navika, if
but,
I can
you know,
finally
they call
make my
it
point,
there.
because some of
They
the
call it
arguments
there.
here-
in Rishikesh and Hardwar.
some of the
I have
arguments
been
here are
there.
so
I've
absurd
seen
that
them
I'm wondering that
smoking
whether
in a
some
chilla,
people
and it's
have actually
okay.
abused some
You know,
substances and come on
it
your
is the
panel.
milder drug.
Mr. Abdullah,
It
you
is the
have to give
milder
others a
drug.
chance.
The heavy stuff.
I mean, unless
we
you're
have
high
to
on
be-
something that
we
I
have
cannot
to
give
be
you a cure
worried
for,
about the
can you
heavy-
please
Nasir
hear the other
Abdullah,
side?
Nasir Abdullah, I'll have to lower your fader.
Navika, at least basic
Allow
manners.
Shehzad Poonawalla to come in and then I'm
difficult
getting
to
in Ishkara
talk.
and I'm getting in Sambit. 1 minute.
I
1
don't
minute.
need low on
Shehzad, go for it.
Yeah, but Navika, can I please please, yeah, Navika, Yeah, so Navika, first and foremost, while the entire country was wondering what Fanny was finding, we have today got the answer that Fanny was indeed finding hash. I mean, the drugs की थाली में कितने छेद थे उसका सारा तमाशा सामने आ चुका है, और किस तरीके से ड्रग्स की रासलीला चल रही थी, किस तरीके से ड्रग्स का पूरा खेल चल रहा था। आज जो लोग आप पर सवाल उठा रहे थे उनके मुंह पर एक छपाक भी पड़ चुका है, वो तमाम ट्रोल्स और तथाकथित जर्नलिस्ट के मुंह पर जो नाविका को ट्रोल कर करके पूछ रहे थे कि क्यों नाविका आपने नाम लिए। आज मुझे लगता है कि उन सारे डाउटर्स के मुंह पर एक छपाक आ चुका है और ड्रग्स का तमाशा सामने आ चुका है। पर सवाल आज तीन तरीके के हैं। जया जी से सवाल है कि अब जया जी बोलिए कि ये जो ड्रग्स मुक्त भारत बनाने की, ड्रग्स मुक्त बॉलीवुड बनाने की बात कंगना रनौत उठा रही थी, रवि किशन उठा रहे थे, अब भी आप और नासिर उसका विरोध करेंगे? सवाल नंबर 2 ये है कि जब फैनी क्या ढूंढ रही थी उसका सबूत नाविका के हाथ में मिल सकता है, रिया शौविक के ड्रग कार्टेल का हाथ नाविका के साथ आ सकता है, उसके सबूत नाविका के हाथ लग सकते हैं, तो ये मुंबई पुलिस कर क्या रही थी? और फाइनली मेरा सवाल है नासिर अब्दुल्ला जी से। नासिर अब्दुल्ला जी, आपने ये कह दिया कि एंटरटेनमेंट में लेना जायज है। नासिर अब्दुल्ला जी, ऐसे आर्गुमेंट्स करोगे तो लगेगा कि केवल फैन ही नहीं, आप भी कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस को रोज रोज ढूंढ रहे थे। कम से कम ऐसा साबित मत कीजिए अपने आर्गुमेंट्स के साथ, आपसे सलाह है।
Nasir, you want to respond before I get in Tehseen Poonawala?
You are putting words into my mouth. It has been happening.
He was trying to put drugs into your mouth and I've stopped
सर,
him from
आपके
doing
वर्ड्स
so.
नहीं, आपके माउथ में बहुत कुछ है, आपके माउथ में बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है। नासिर, आपके माउथ से बहुत कुछ निकल रहा है और मिल रहा है। Don't make such ridiculous arguments that prove that you are also in search of some kind of unnatural substances.
Calcutta, everywhere is there.
So you are saying Mumbai is not the place to go looking for drugs. We should go to Kashmir, we should go to Rishikesh, we should go to Kolkata. Dr. Patra, Dr. Patra, Mumbai is out of bounds for you because Nasir Abdullah says don't go to Mumbai, go to Rishikesh, go to Kolkata, go to Kashmir, but don't go to Mumbai.
I was informing you. I've been saying it for a very long time.
देखिए नाविका जी, मैं ये नासिर साहब का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, बचपन से छोटा था तब से उनको देख रहा हूँ। आई हैव अ सिंसियर एडवाइस एंड अ सिंसियर अपील टू हिम। नासिर साहब सुनिए, ये बाकी लोगों को तो एनसीबी चैट देख के उठा ले रही है, आपको किसी दिन डिबेट से उठा के ले जाएगी। आप जैसे इतना हिल डुल के गिर के बात कर रहे हैं, मनाली में भी ड्रग्स देखा मैंने, गोवा में भी ड्रग्स देखा मैंने, कश्मीर में ड्रग देखा, बेड के नीचे ड्रग देखा, ऊपर आपको यहीं से ले जाएगी पकड़ के। इसलिए देखिए जरा, ये इतना जोर हिलेंगे तो एनसीबी वाले इनको डिबेट के बाद ये क्या ऐसा एक्शन कर रहे हैं बताइए। ये अब देखिए जरा इनको, मुझे तो गड़बड़ लग रहा है। अरे आई एम योर फैन नासिर साहब, माय सिंसियर एडवाइस टू यू इज प्लीज डेसिस्ट फ्रॉम कमिंग टू दिस डिबेट्स, बिकॉज किसी दिन एनसीबी वाले देख रहे होंगे आपको। हाँ, चुपचाप बैठिए नासिर साहब, क्या कर रहे हैं आप? भाई एक्सपोजिंग योरसेल्फ। शिव जी का बूटी है, मैं खाऊंगा। व्हाट इज ऑल दिस?
आई डोंट बिलोंग टू एनी पार्टी. I don't belong to the BJP.
That is why I'm advising you, sir. You are my friend and we all are your fans. That's why इतना हिल के बोलेंगे तो एनसीबी ऐसे ही उठा के ले जाएगी। ये देखो, अब ये क्या देखो, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कभी ऐसे उछल रहे हैं, कभी गिर जा रहे हैं। मनाली में, why do you go and see drugs in Manali? I have been to Manali. I did not see drugs there. I found the temperature soothing. I found the place quite good. You go and see drugs in Manali. Why? You go and see drugs everywhere. Why? It's only because that is what you intend to see.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Maybe Bollywood has more.
So murder is everywhere, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Every state has murders. That means you should not see murder. You should close your eyes to murder.
Tehseen Poonawala, I want to ask you on a serious note. I want to ask you, all those who have so far tried to argue that Bollywood is being singled out, today here is the proof. And Deepika Padukone is no small star. Deepika Padukone is no small star, and these are chats from 2017, but the fact is that there are connections. There is Sushant Singh Rajput, then there was Riya Chakravarti, and there was all these drug chats, and then came in Jaya Saha with Riya Chakravarti. Now Jaya Saha's connections are with Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is talking to Karishma, talking to Amit. Are you seeing the web as it is going on increasing? And you wanted nothing of this to be probed. ड्रग्स की बात है, बॉलीवुड की बात है, सब मुंह जिप करके बैठ जाओ और कुछ मत बोलो, क्योंकि बॉलीवुड के खिलाफ बोलना तो हमारे धर्म के खिलाफ है. Tehseen Poonawalla, these are ugly details that are coming out. And why were Mumbai police commissioners of yore going and asking for media to be gagged in the Bombay High Court? I want to ask you, what is it that you don't want us to reveal? Is it these names that you wanted to keep under wraps? That's the question I want to ask you, Tehseen Poonawalla.
Thank you, ma'am.
Navika, did you find an initial TV
Jai
of-
Kisan, because Kisans are dying and Narendra Modi is destroying the. If we think that this is a comedy show or an entertainment show, you can have Anand Ranganathan leave it.
So
I'm
there's
making
no
my
wheat,
point
so they
very
want
briefly.
drugs.
Okay,
The
I'm just
wheat
gonna
and
make
paddy
two
has been
points.
destroyed. So drugs is the new thing.
I'm just going to make. Well, you know, the parliament has been destroyed by Narendra Modi, and I don't want to get into that. Let's stick to this debate, please. Let's have an intellectual debate. I'm going to be very brief, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. You once again proved yourself correct. Right, you rightly said, ma'am, and there are two things that caught my attention on this story when you broke it. This is October 2017, and Coco, this restaurant, in fact, I've been there, it's a canteen, it's a Chinese restaurant. It started in August 2016. Now, what this caught me in this chat was that they said, look, this restaurant's on at 12:30, somebody's going to come. At that time, the legal deadline for Mumbai was 1 o'clock. So I Googled quickly Times of India and Times Now, most authentic. Who was the Home Minister of Mumbai and Chief Minister? Devendra Fadnavis. And I repeatedly said on your channel, if you want to find a link to drugs, find a link to BJP. Because, ma'am, and I end, 6 months of lockdown in Maharashtra, so drugs cannot come to Maharashtra. That means drugs had come before. Devendra Fadnavis was Chief Minister, Home Minister, illegally running restaurants. And last, drugs into Maharashtra come via Gujarat and Goa. Which government out there? Oh, BJP. Please investigate the BJP. You will come to know where the BJP gets so much money from, I think.
From drugs? From
Navika,
drugs, and that's why Ishkaran Bhandari, it was the Aghadi
know.
which was trying to keep this entire investigation under wraps, and Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla today, who's so serious, said that Mumbai police was like Scotland Yard.
Prevention.
Navika, let me say this. Firstly, it is such a ridiculous argument,
Navika,
but I will
slight
try
interruption.
to answer it. I will try to answer. It is a ridiculous argument. Who is NCB reporting to if not the union government? If they wanted to hide it, then union government would have, and NCB would have not investigated this. No. So even today, the Home Minister of India is from BJP. So this is ridiculous arguments which are just deflecting the issue and have no substance to them. Now let us come to the issue at hand. The often defense you
Are you
hear
allowed
is
to rebut?
why only Bollywood. Let me please
Are you allowed
finish.
to rebut?
Why only Bollywood? Why only Bollywood? Nasir will keep jumping
sure.
like a popcorn. Nasir jumps up like a popcorn in his language. Maybe he has God knows how many uppers that he cannot sit still. The reality is a person in corporate life or a student does not get paid lakhs and crores of rupees to sell a shoe or a shirt. The lifestyle of a movie star sells and influences a youngster. That's just a fact. And that is why it is doubly important. Not that I'm saying don't clean corporate sector or don't clean students, universities if there are drugs there. If there is drug in JNU, please arrest anybody who's doing drugs there, or in any other university if they are doing drugs. But the reality is your lifestyle sells, and you are a youth icon and you influence the young people of India. And the cleanup, if you have come under the scanner, has to go to its logical conclusion, no matter how much PR is done or no matter who stands up in parliament to say हम पे अटैक क्यों हो रहा है मीडिया में, सोशल मीडिया में. Justified attack है, because everybody and anybody who was involved in this drug racket. And what were these management agencies doing? Was it a tool of management agencies to manage stars that we have to provide this service also? That also needs to be investigated now. So I think we are in the stage of investigation which is going on, and it must go on no matter what naysayers say.
संजय गुप्ता जी मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूं, 15 मिनट में मुंबई पुलिस ने कह दिया कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत सुसाइड, केस क्लोज्ड, और अब क्या क्या गंद बाहर आ रहा है ये आपके सामने है. और हम शुरू से कह रहे थे, जब से ये ड्रग चैट्स हमने देखी, और वी पुट इट आउट फर्स्ट ऑन टाइम्स नाउ, द रिया चक्रवर्ती ड्रग चैट्स, her her father's request for drugs, Shovik getting drugs, Jaya Saha prescribing drugs in what manner they should be given to Sushant Singh Rajput. And then, of course, you know, the floodgates have opened. We talked about Rakul Preet Singh, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, all of them were named. And today, Deepika Padukone. No K, no D, no abbreviations, no alphabets. It's the full story with the A-listers name out there and with evidence. I want to ask you, ये महाराष्ट्र की सरकार छुपा क्या रही थी? क्या छुपा रहे थे आप?
महाराष्ट्र की सरकार को क्या छुपाना था? अगर एक ऑब्जर्वेशन दी थी दिल्ली मुंबई पुलिस ने या महाराष्ट्र के होम मिनिस्टर ने, तो वो सिर्फ एक ऑब्जर्वेशन दी थी कि लगता है ऐसा कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने आत्महत्या की। वो कोई फाइनल डिसीजन नहीं था। एडीआर के माध्यम से हत्या और आत्महत्या दोनों का एक केस खुला हुआ था। ये ड्रग एंगल एकदम अलग चीज़ है। और ड्रग एंगल के विषय में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ड्रग जो है वो किसी भी तरह की जो ड्रग्स हैं वो महाराष्ट्र में थोड़ी ना पैदा होती है। वो पैदा होती है, उसकी कुछ आइटम्स बिहार में पैदा होती है, उत्तर प्रदेश से पैदा होती है, या अफगानिस्तान से आती है, या पाकिस्तान से आती है, या नेपाल से आती है।
45 डेज इंक्वेस्ट फाइंडिंग्स चलती रही, कोई एफआईआर नहीं रजिस्टर हुआ, किसी के फोन नहीं चेक हुए, ड्रग चैट्स नहीं निकली, और आप कह रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र की सरकार अगर कर रही थी तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही थी, मुंबई पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही थी, और जो होम मिनिस्टर हैं या चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं वो कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे थे, वो ओपन रख रहे थे। डू यू थिंक इट वाज केप्ट ओपन एट एनी पॉइंट, डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन?
Navika, this excuse is so ridiculous, I don't even know where to begin, but I should really first begin with Mr. Nasir Abdullah. You know, I'm just completely lost for words. He keeps saying, don't put words in my mouth, don't put words in my mouth. I'm sorry, Mr. Abdullah, it is impossible to do that, because in order to do that, we would first have to remove the foot from your mouth. Look at the logic. He's saying drugs are everywhere, Shivji lete hain, sab lete hain, har jagah hai. तो भाई corruption भी तो हर जगह है. That means if you find a case of corruption, you should not prosecute that case because corruption is everywhere. What kind of logic is this? I'm afraid, you know, I think if we continue to get this kind of logic, and first of all, let me also tell him that non-application of a law or a judicial order in some case is not an excuse for you to violate that law or that order. I'm afraid not only are you high on grass, you're even consuming the meat of an animal that is grazing better grass.
डिपार्टमेंट राकेश अस्थाना होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर में आते हैं, और अगर महाराष्ट्र के अंदर कोई ड्रग आती है तो उसके जिम्मेदार नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट है।
Well,
क्या मतलब केस?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a can of worms that has been opened, and it has been opened right here on Times Now. Anybody who wants to brush these worms under the carpet is going to have a tough time, because these worms are now slithering and coming out of every nook and crevice of the woodwork. We're getting you more worms that are tumbling out right after this very short break. Don't go anywhere, because another big name coming up on the other side of a very short break.
You're watching the News Hour at 9.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and another breaking news coming in. National award-winning producer and entrepreneur Madhu Mantena Verma is the next person in the NCB net. In fact, he's been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau on Wednesday. His name cropped up in the interrogation of Jaya Saha today, and Jaya Saha works for Quon, and Madhu Mantena has investments in Quon. Now, what is this agency Quon all about, which had all of these people who were talking about drugs? There is Jaya Saha, there is Shruti Modi, there is Madhu Mantena, who owns this company, and there is another individual called Amit, whose name surfaces in the Deepika Padukone Karishma chats, and in these chats, this Amit person is also an employee of Kwon, as is Karishma. He's a film producer and entrepreneur, and he's a man who has produced several hit films like Gajni, Queen, and many others. He's an investor in Kwon, has been summoned day after tomorrow, which is the 23rd of September. Big breaking news coming in. Udta Punjab, also Super 30. All these films have been made by Madhu Mantena, and I want to get in Rahul Ishwar, how does it happen that all of these people who have any connections with Kwon have connections with drugs as well? Sorry, I think your phone, yeah, I can't hear you. Yeah, go on now.
I congratulate Times Now for the war on drugs, and there cannot be any compromise on it. We should take forward it. But the only point is, September 16, Times Now itself reported, no actionable inputs reveal drugs and film industry nexus. This was by G. Kishan Reddy, who is in charge of the Home Ministry. So let us not blow anything out of proportion. Let us keep things in proportion. This is the only humble request. And the second thing, just like the Delhi High Court verdict, the case at Ria or the Rakul media trial, because reputation takes years to build. We should be fair to people. Yes, there are many allegations, but we should be fair to people. There is an allegation against Deepika. There was an allegation by Kangana Ranaut.
Reputations. Dr. Sambit Patra, reputations are important, and I won't grudge anybody trying to defend reputations here. But Dr. Patra, रेप्यूटेशन की इतनी चिंता है तो इतने ओपनली ड्रग्स हो रहे हैं, चैट्स पे मांग रहे हैं, माल दे दो, हैश नहीं तो गांजा दे दो, वीड दे दो, वीड नहीं चाहिए, हैश चाहिए, तब रेप्यूटेशन का ख्याल नहीं आता है। डूबी दे दो और बूम दे दो, तब रेप्यूटेशन का ख्याल नहीं आया कि हम ओपन सोर्स पे ये मांग रहे हैं, ये लोग हमारे घर आ जा रहे हैं, तब तो रेप्यूटेशन का किसी को ख्याल नहीं आया। लेकिन मीडिया को चुप कराना है, क्योंकि बड़े लोगों का नाम जब बाहर आता है तो इज्जत को नुकसान होता है। डॉक्टर पात्रा, दाल में कुछ काला नहीं नजर आ रहा?
हाँ, दाल में काला. Remember, I mean, look at this debate. The question was, is Miss D or Miss A, B, C, D, whoever they are, is she guilty of taking drugs? And look at the excuses. Excuse number one, so what? The farmers in Nepal grow opium. So what will Miss D do? It's not Miss D's fault. Second excuse, so what? BJP is getting the maximum amount of donations, so it's not Miss D's fault. And then comes reputation. Dal mein kala is paase Navika, now it's penguin ka peet kala. नहीं, let me tell you, दाल में काला इस पासे, पेंगुइन का पीठ काला. देखो, मैं पेंगुइन बोलते ही फॉक्स आएगा. As soon as I talk against the penguin, the fox will leap in. Look at him. I speak against the penguin, and the fox jumps in out of the forest to defend the penguin. ये penguin और fox की जोड़ी को देखो जरा. देखो. What do you know of penguin? No, I was telling that dal mein kala is paase, it is penguin ka peet kala. Why are you so disturbed? No, I don't understand why Mr. Ravi Tiwari is here to defend all kind of wrongdoing.
आप क्या कह रहे हैं पेंगुइन के बारे में? आप क्या कह रहे हैं डॉक्टर पात्रा? पेंगुइन के बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
ये क्या बोल रहा है? कौन पेंगुइन है?
नहीं, एक मिनट सुनने तो दीजिए. आप बीच में बोलेंगे तो सुनेंगे कैसे?
Who is the penguin?
कौन है पेंगुइन?
No, I was saying, when you asked me the question, नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ, only if the penguin spokesperson is quiet, I'll be able to speak. Thank you. Navika, when you asked me दाल में कुछ काला है, I said, gone are those days when we used to say दाल में कुछ काला. Now people are saying penguin का पीठ काला. I mean, that is in fact an acronym which is more dangerous than दाल में कुछ काला है. दाल में कुछ काला है तो कुछ निकाल के फेंक सकते हैं, दाल को ग्रहण कर सकते हैं. But look at this penguin ka peet kala. You may scrub the penguin's peet, but that dhabba will never go off penguin.
Well,
so that is what
Shehzad Poonawala, I want to ask you tonight one question. It is Madhu Mantena. Udta Punjab is the film that he makes. Yes, he must be a very creatively good guy. He's a national award winner, has given hit films. लेकिन क्वान में क्या चल रहा है? इन्वेस्टर हैं और क्वान के लोग दीपिका पाडुकोन को सप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ये क्या चल रहा है बॉलीवुड में? क्यों चुप होने को हमें कह रहे हैं? Why are they demanding a gag on the media so that their names don't come out? Shehzad Poonawalla?
Navika Kumar, this chat does not prove anything, I'm telling you.
First, you'll have to gag this spokesperson of the Penguin because he'll keep interrupting and I won't be able to make my
I'm running out of time. Quick
Can you please
Tripathi.
kindly gag him because he understands? Yes, Navika. The point is कि कौन drugs के supply list में था वो पता करना पड़ेगा. But see, Fanny was finding hash and Tehseen and Nasir are becoming मस्तानी. और नासिर के तो नाम में ही नासिर है तो उसका तो समझ में आता है. पर तहसीन बोल रहा है ये बीजेपी वालों की क्या धरा है. अरे तो बीजेपी वालों का तो आपकी मुंबई पुलिस पेंगुइन की तरह क्यों इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही थी? पहले ही पकड़ लेती. नाविका को स्टोरी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. 65 दिन तक रवि श्रीवास्तव को पेंगुइन के बचाव के लिए भेजा और आज बोल रहे हैं ये बीजेपी वालों का ड्रग लिंक है. तो भाई आप पकड़ लेते. और नासिर, डोंट लिव अप टू योर नेम सर. कभी तो सिर वाली बात करो, सिर पैर वाली कभी तो बात कर लो सर.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, two big disclosures here on the News Hour tonight. I showed you the chats between Karishma, Kwon employee, and the biggest A-lister in town, Deepika Padukone, asking for hash, not weed. That's the conversation, and Deepika Padukone is going to be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau this week. And Madhu Mantena, National Award winner, has made 25 films, is the Narcotics Control Bureau's guest on Wednesday, 23rd of September. The names are here with evidence, ladies and gentlemen. So before you decide to gag us, shoot us, point fingers at us, remember, we always come with evidence, not speculation. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour. Hopefully, I should be back same time, same place, and with some more evidence that people cannot turn their eyes away from.